Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Ray, and it's about 3 o'clock in the morning on Thursday morning, the 19th, I think, of July. I have decided to, I kind of was up earlier, and I decided to create a tutorial on hair color. I'll be doing these quite regularly, so you can watch me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, where I'll be doing quick, you know, 5 minute, 10 minute presentations on hair color. Because I think the majority of the styling world does not understand hair color. And so I'm going to explain it. So colors are placed in two categories. You have non-oxidative color or oxidative color. Now if it's non-oxidative, it means that the color has no staying power because it's just like a stain. So anything that's like a rinse or a stain, even Kool-Aid, if you put it in your hair, it becomes a color, a non-oxidative color. So for it to really change your color, from a dark to a light color, it has to be an oxidative color, which means that the colorant must have an additive such as a peroxide or developer. So you must add a developer to the colorant to make it work and make it oxidize and change the color. So the only how you can color hair that is without making it permanent, making it like a brown or something or a red, is if that client or person already has gray hair. So if she or he has gray hair in the mix and you put like a brown rinse or a red rinse or purple rinse over that hair, you will see the highlights of the rinse on the gray hair. But for you to change color, like a number 2 or level 2 hair, that's the off black or brown, to take it to like a blonde or like a red, you have to do some oxidative work. So which means you have to have like a peroxide, which is developer. 10 volume doesn't really lift that much unless you're using a lightener, or 40 volume, 20 volume, 30 volume. These are all Beauty Works lighteners. We also have a lifting agent, which is we call our creative catalyzing lightener, and this sells a lot. So this is like a lightener that you'd use if you want to make the hair blonde or like a level brown with shampoo or something. We can show you how to do that later. So these are some things you can use, or you can use hair color from any brand mixed with a developer to get your color. So these are what colors would look like overall. So these colors range from brunettes, which would be like the darker colors, maybe like a black to a brown. And then you have the redheads, which are like the red and orange ones. And then you have the blondes. So these are 3 categories of color. You have brunettes, redheads, blondes. And then over here, you have some fun colors that you can use staining for fun. Or these ones, which you can use for staining. These are all fun colors that you use. Most of them are just stains or semi-permanent colors or rinses that you can put over like a blonde shade to get this look. So that is how that works. So technically what I'm saying to you is, if someone has a level 4 here, like this model, this mannequin here, if someone has level 4 here, I hope you can see it, but they want to take the hair to maybe get some streaks in it, like some blondes, or even some reds, which are placed underneath, or some gold streaks with the reds mixed in. You would definitely have to do a lightening color and then some deposit, or you can use high volume of developer with your colorant, which means like a 40 volume or so with your colorant to achieve this. Okay, so these are just quick tips I'm going to give you. I'll do more details on the next broadcast, so stay tuned. This is Dave Ray, the beauty surgeon, doing tips on hair color. Have a great day.